Welcome to Tracksha's Auto Farm Area Measurement Platform. First, open the Tracksha app. As soon as the app loads, you will be taken directly to your dashboard. On the dashboard, you can view the live status of your entire fleet. Now, tap on the status dashboard icon located at the bottom. It is the third icon from the bottom. Here, you will see all your connected vehicles and their live status. To view the tracking details of any specific vehicle, simply tap on that vehicle. This is your vehicle's live tracking screen. Here, you can see on the map the direction in which your vehicle is moving and the specific area where work has been performed. The section highlighted in green indicates the area that has been covered. At the bottom, you can also see the total covered area in acres and the vehicle's speed in kilometers per hour. At the top, you will find information regarding the vehicle's latest location, the current time, and the subscription validity. Now tap on the green area meter displayed at the bottom. This option is available only for tractors and harvesters. As soon as you tap on it, you will be taken to the Farms List screen. Here, you will see all the detected farms corresponding to the selected time period. For each farm, the following details are clearly displayed: area size and work duration. If you wish to view farms from different days, tap on the date range option located at the top. Here you can select from options such as today, yesterday, last 7 days, this week, last week, or a custom date range. As soon as you select a new date range, all the farms corresponding to that specific time period will appear below. Now, tap on any specific farm. Here, you will see the complete measurement details for that farm, such as path distance, total distance area, total covered area, and approximate work duration. On the map, you can visualize the movement pattern of the vehicle across the entire field. You can also initiate a new area measurement using the Create New Measurement button located at the bottom. Now, you can easily track and manage your farm area with the help of the Tracksha app. Tap on the wheat icon shown above. As soon as you click on it, you will be taken directly to the farm details screen. Here, you can see that the farm area is displayed in multiple units such as acres, hectares, Guntha, and Bigha. If you want to change the unit as per your preference, tap on the settings icon given above. Now, the measurement units option will open. Here, you can choose different units such as Bigha, Guntha, Canal, and Cent. Select your preferred unit and tap on the Save button. Once you return to the farm details screen, the area will be displayed in the selected units. Now you can clearly view the farm area in different units, making it easier to understand and analyze. Thank you for watching this video. If you require any assistance, please contact the Tracksha support team.